this is my proposal now. Ishawna and Shorty I got to do 2 lie detector tests. Right? The company where I got to do the lie detector cannot be known until the day when Shorty and Ishawna they together.
We don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media facts. How we the latest news them locks.
I think that about represent fully.
Gargamel say, if he sees fire, right? Big up Buju. Buju a good youth, he have good heart. See? But you know, me agree if he sees fire. Yeah, this is not Gaza live, you know. This is a straight nation live. The woman in a brief boss life, the longest, Zine, a Shorty, right? And the woman in a my life, the longest, a Ishawna. I mean, Ishawna is there for a couple of months, less 10 years. Just run it off, called 10 years. Zine, and brief boss, and Shorty there for 10 years, long. See? So listen to the ultimatum here now. The winner of the warrior, Zine, I got decide by the honesty of them baby mother. Now listen to me good enough. The winner of the warrior I got be decided by the honesty of them baby mother, or them they were the longest. Them can use any one of my baby mother, but it only fair for you to use who we did there with for the longest. Because that woman there supposed to know more about you than any other woman. See? So Ishawna supposed to know more about me than any other woman I ever did with. Because me and I there for 10 years. Shorty supposed to know more about Rtel than any other woman, right? So, the ultimatum is no. The woman them are going to do a lie detector test. This not involve no money, no nothing. It just involve pure honesty, right? Because Mr. The Brief Brigade, I try to push a narrative for say me eat front, right? Because somebody I try to throw shade like me eat front, right? So if me eat front, Ishawna would have more likely to know that than any other woman where me deal with, right? And Shorty would have more know that about brief boss than anybody else. So this is my proposal now. Ishawna and Shorty I got to do 2 lie detector tests. Right? The company where I got to do the lie detector cannot be known until the day when Shorty and Ishawna they together in the vehicle and go. And then we're going to call and hire the place to do the test. Them don't know who them are going to test. Because Brief Boss have so much money, we can't make him know who I got to do the lie detector test. Kind of buy it out. You see me? So, we want them just ask the woman them 2 questions. Them are going to ask the same question to both baby mothers. Them are going to ask Ishawna if Foota hype ever eat her crutches, get her oral or get her anal. Meaning, if Foota hype ever sex her bottom or eat her front. And them are going to ask Shorty if Brief Boss ever eat her front or sex her bottom. The same question I got to the 2 baby mother then. So the fate of Foota hype in a baby mother and the fate of I show brief in a baby mother and. How that sound? How that sound? No, it have to do live. What do you mean it have to do live? For social media live. But the people that are going to do the lie detector will not hire the company until Ishawna and Shorty sit down same place and wait for them for forward. Then we make somebody credible, make the call and hire the company. But no, the company can't know 2 days before, a day before, nah, nothing before. Honestly? What about Lick? Wow. Okay, a joke on again. So well on. Love me color. Why you ball about what people do behind closed door between them? Them a try say me eat front. Brief brigade a try say me eat front. So me not fi answer them. Me can make my baby mother do a lie detector test. Anyone of my baby mother them. As a matter of fact, any woman when me ever deal with in her life. But what I'm saying, because I've been with her the longest, you see me I say, she perfect for do the lie detector test. Can remember say even if she says something what she think the public want hear or she want to be vindictive, the lie detector test I got tell if I lie, she tell her true. And then Shorty now, I got do the test too. And you got know if I lie, she tell her true. And that will depend on our credibility now. Because I know we are the woman attack. You understand me I say? You understand? Zine, so I think that are the best thing for we do. And we just call the war a day. And we just done right there so. Whatever the results be, the public see the result and we just call it a day. You understand me I say? You understand? Me not for quarrel. Me not for quarrel and try to defend myself. Make we baby mother them go under the lie detector and we sit down and watch. Our fans them sit down and watch. Yeah, argument done there so. Every great king have to have a great queen. You understand? So, me not have no problem with that. And when Ishawna eat me like poison, go on for the lie detector test. Go on go talk your mind, mama. And make we see who are the real street god. Make we see who are the real man. That's my proposal. What you say? What you say, Brief Diddy? You ready, sir? All argument can on, because Buju say me if he stop, shoot up the place, you know. And I respect Buju, so I want done the war, if it's true. Because Buju never asked me for a favor yet. And I hunger favor that him asks. You understand? So, me think of the perfect show of credibility this. To put the 2 longest reigning women them in our life under the lie detector. So, when them talk, the lie detector people them can know what's true and what lie. You understand what I say? Yeah. So we don't have to argue, we don't have to throw no word upon one another, and we don't have to talk about who rich and who poor. We just have to know who really solid and who really never grounds out and never shake it. I mean, I see the reason why no objection should have there for this. It's a simple thing. And then, like when I say, we put the DJ on the lie detector, and I put the selector on the lie detector, we have put Shorty and Ishawna and see what the results are going to be. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Is that a good idea? Only talk to me if it's a good idea. Come on, Buju happy, you know, I want to stop the war, you know. Believe TV, what you say? Nothing wrong with that, me. Me alright with that. Me leave the fate of my credibility in Ishawna's words. Put her up on the lie detector and put Shorty on it and ask them the same question them when me just said they ask. And we will know where really going. Adore. Oi! Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up and show up. Okay? Yeah. No, me just try end the war, you know? That's the hungry request me have to end the war. Me don't want no money, me don't want nothing from you. Make the baby mother them go do the lie detector and talk, question them about what a man go on with, you know? Tropical. Nobody now stop him from gaining fans. Who was that? Was this ever about gaining or losing fans? It's about credibility. It's about credibility. Nobody in a business born of fans. Nobody can stop Rtel from fans. Rtel is one of the man with the most fans in a dancer. So who can stop him and get fans? Nobody in a business born fans. We care about fans. At that we don't think we care about followers and fans and them sit them. In a business about that, but credibility we are talking about. Who knows? The lie detector test can do and it come out as a 2 hour solid and none of we never do nothing folly. So nothing around. Let's do it. Let's do it. Shorty and Ishawna in the same room, same live and run. Lie detector people them come in, do them lie detector, ask them the question. If me eat front, or if him eat front, or if me tear off back door, or if him tear off back door. Simple question, easy. Less than 5 minutes and it done. That's all. That's all. I'm not asking much. That's all me I ask for. What want to say? What want to say about that? Instagram, what want to say about that? What want to say about that? Only talk to me now. What want to say about that? Talk to me. No good idea that, man? Me think it's a good idea. Yeah, me think it's a good idea. Just 2 questions. We don't have to ask no more. Just 2 questions. We don't need no more than that. Classics who say that will never happen. You know so want to take the Gaza basket pussy. What do you mean by that will never happen? We won't style a man about that will never happen. Yo, you see that youth here? Him name Massini, the song name Badman Party. When you tell me if you don't like that song here, while you don't make any decision.
Yeah, right, today is my birthday.